In this paper, we present a computational approach for designing a personalized body-supporting assembly that fits a given human body posture, aiming to make the assembly comfortable to use by that person. Our approach. We classify the parts in a body-supporting assembly into supporting parts, connecting pillars, and connecting rods. We model the base surface of each supporting part as a generalized hyperbolic paraboloid, which can have a variety of shapes. Taking a human body in a given posture as input, we first identify the body regions that need supporting, to initialize the supporting part's base surfaces. Then, we independently optimize the shape of each base surface to fit its corresponding body region. Next, we perform a global optimization on the supporting part's base surfaces to minimize a discomfort measure while preventing penetration and reducing material redundancy. We obtain the geometry of each supporting part by thickening the optimized base surface and then rounding the edges. Lastly, connecting parts are generated to join the supporting parts, collectively forming a body-supporting assembly. Results. Our approach allows designing body-supporting assemblies that fit a variety of body postures. And body-supporting assemblies that adapt to different body shapes in the same posture. Tilt analysis. We fabricated two body-supporting assemblies and conducted an experiment to validate that our design supporting parts can help to prevent the body sliding issue. We performed a tilt analysis on a baseline assembly and showed that the human body began sliding off from the baseline assembly at the tilt angle around 45 degrees. However, at the same tilt angle, the human body remained steady on our assembly, confirming its better performance in preventing unintentional sliding. We performed the same tilt analysis for a different tilt axis. Another tilt axis. Informal user study. We conducted an informal user study to evaluate usability of our designed body-supporting assembly. We first designed a body-supporting assembly for a participant in a preferred seating posture, and then 3D printed the parts and assembled them to form a body-supporting assembly. The participant was asked to sit on the assembly with the preferred posture for 20 minutes. The participant reported that our body-supporting assembly is more comfortable to sit than a standard chair. Thank you.